It's lot 824 Duoclean Shark Vacuum Cleaner, or the Shark Duoclean Vacuum Cleaner. Coming up, lot 824, rcoxauctions.highbid.com. You see there it works. $2 opening bid starts tomorrow, Sunday, November 30th, 2025, and ends 1 week from tomorrow, December 7th. And you can pick it up the following Thursday night from 5:30 to 8 p.m. here at Cox Auctions. If you can't make that pickup time, give me a call, 618-559-5254, and we can make arrangements. rcoxauctions.highbid, that's HIBID.com, here in Murfreesboro, Illinois.